In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off and remove YouTube Shorts from your YouTube feed. You want to go into your YouTube app on your mobile device. And then once you're here, make sure your app is fully updated in Google Play Store or App Store. And then go ahead and tap onto the profile icon or the U button at the lower right hand corner. Go ahead and tap onto that option there. And then once you're here, navigate to settings to where you see the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. So go ahead and tap onto that gear icon to locate the settings. Once here, you want to select time management underneath accounts. Go ahead and tap onto time management option right there. Now scroll slightly to where you see daily limits. Then select shorts feed limit option right there. And select 0 minutes. By setting this to 0, YouTube automatically freezes the infinite scroll mechanism. But you still see few shorts, but shorts will completely be permanently disabled for this option. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.